Every car battery begins its journey deep within the earth.
Raw lead is extracted in massive quantities, ready for processing. The material moves non-stop, even at the source. Size is reduced before the ore ever leaves the mine. Controlled movement keeps the process efficient and safe.
Material waits only briefly before the next step. This is where raw elements meet precision. And the transformation is about to begin. Every load is measured before it moves deeper inside. The factory runs like a city of controlled motion.
Arrival is timed to the second.
Safety and precision guide every movement. Material officially enters the production stream. From here, machines take control.
Multiple supply lines move in parallel.
Nothing rushes. Nothing waits too long.
The heart of the factory is ahead. Raw materials are now ready for refinement. Before transformation, purity is essential. Inside these walls, scale meets discipline. Human oversight never leaves the process. Even cleaning is engineered at scale. Unwanted material is separated immediately. Size control defines consistency. Order replaces raw chaos. Clean air keeps production sustainable. Heat is where change becomes permanent. The real transformation starts now. Accuracy matters before the fire takes over. Extreme heat unlocks the metal within. Impurities are removed at the molten stage. Experience guides every adjustment. The metal waits at a controlled temperature. Purity is refined, layer by layer. Now the metal takes shape. Preparation ensures consistency. Uniformity begins at the cast. Flow. From liquid to solid, the foundation is set.
Only consistent material moves ahead.
Efficiency depends on repeatable motion. The next form requires precision shaping. Pressure transforms mass into usable form.
Microns matter in battery performance.
Controlled cooling preserves structure.
Uniform size ensures uniform performance.
Every detail protects long-term reliability. Consistency is built into every stack.
The chemistry phase is about to begin.
This is where chemistry defines performance. Consistency here determines battery life.
Every plate receives an exact layer. Precision replaces guesswork. Moisture is carefully reduced, not rushed. Time becomes a critical ingredient. The paste bonds permanently to the grid. Structure and strength are now locked in. Each plate now has a defined role.
All elements are ready to come together.
Automation brings perfect repetition.
Layers define stored energy. Density improves electrical efficiency. Structure begins with the casing.
Every shell meets exact dimensions.
Inside, the battery takes shape.
Strong connections mean reliable starts. Energy pathways are sealed.
The enclosure becomes permanent. Now the battery awaits activation.
Activation begins with controlled chemistry. Exact volume ensures balanced power.
Every pore must be filled. The battery wakes for the first time. Stability is monitored without pause.
Human eyes confirm machine precision.
Presentation matters in performance products.
Identity is permanently assigned. Balance defines long-term reliability. Nothing ships without proof. Performance is measured under stress. Durability is verified before trust. Nothing leaves without human approval. Ready for transport at scale. Protection ensures safe delivery. Inventory moves with discipline.
Timing completes the system.
The journey continues beyond the factory. Millions of units, one continuous process.
And this is how modern factories produce car batteries from start to finish.